Guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you how to do whitening at home itself instantly by using all the natural ingredients. Without wasting time, come guys, let's start how to make this remedy. For that, first of all, here I am having one piece of aloe vera gel. For this remedy, you should use fresh aloe vera only, no way of using market gel. So here I have taken one small piece of aloe vera gel. For that I am going to cut it into two pieces. As I have told you before also, aloe vera is full of contains antioxidant, enzymes, vitamin A and C, and it is highly inflammatory property, which will helps to treat burns, acne and dry skin. So for that, here I am taking aloe vera and then cut it into small like this. Backside leaves should be there, and then like this, and then so my second ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda is an slightly acidic that will protect the barrier, and it's important for overall. It will banish pimples, it lightens blemishes your skin, it keeps soften your skin, it prevents blackheads, and as well as it will exfoliate your skin also. So now I am going to sprinkle this baking soda on aloe vera gel, which I have cut it into small pieces. So see guys, this much of you have to sprinkle on aloe vera gel, aloe vera leaf. So last but not least, here I am going to add glycerin. Glycerin will keep your skin moisture and it will give you even tone. It prevents anti-aging. Overall, it is a best moisturizer. So here I am going to put glycerin on it. Like half a teaspoon of glycerin on it. And that's it. Now I will tell you guys how you have to use this leaf on your face. You just need to rub it on your face for minimum 2 minutes, not less than 2 minutes. If you are using less than 2 minutes, it will not work. You just need to rub like this on your face for 2 minutes, and then you can see the result, how your skin is going to glow within 2 minutes, that is equal to 120 seconds. I hope you all like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Kindly share among your friends and family members. Thank you. Bye bye.